Filipino learners, my name is JC. Kumusta kayo? In today's video, I will be teaching you the difference between mahilig and gusto. Mahilig and gusto both means like in English. Gusto most of the time means want. However, in this video, we will mainly focus on when should you use mahilig and when should you use gusto when you mean to say like. If you want to learn more about gusto, you may check my video about it. I will place the link at the upper right corner of this video and at the description. Okay, let us begin. Mahilig is used when by like, you mean likes in general. Or as in something that you're fond of. Your interests, your preferences, your likes, and your hobbies. Okay, what do I mean by likes in general? Bibigyan ko kayo ng mga halimbawa. Mahilig si Leo sa mga rosas. Leo likes roses. So you're not referring to something specific, like a particular bouquet or bunch of roses, but mga rosas in general. That's why we used mahilig. Next one. Mahilig si Susan sa mga bata. Susan likes kids. So again, Susan likes kids, all kids in general, not a specific kid or a specific group of kids, but kids in general. So we used mahilig. Next, mahilig ka sa mga libro. You like books. Mahilig siya sa mga aso. He or she likes dogs. Now, if you look at our examples, we used sa before the object that is being liked. And the subject or the focus of the Tagalog sentence when using mahilig is the doer of the action. Okay, I'll give you more examples. Earlier, I said that we use mahilig for people's interests, likes, preferences. Katulad nito. Mahilig si Roger sa mga nakakatakot na pelikula. Roger likes scary movies. So here, you are stating an interest or preference. What kind of movies Roger likes? Isa pa? Mahilig si Tom sa mga kanta ni Rihanna. Tom likes Rihanna's songs. Again, you're talking about someone's interest or likes. Another one. Mahilig ka sa manghang na pagkain. You like spicy food. So again, you're stating someone's preference. And lastly, mahilig siya sa mga makukulay na damit. He or she likes colorful clothes. And in all of them, again, sa was added before stating what is being liked. And the subject in this sentence is the doer of the action. Okay, how about hobbies? Mahilig si Eunice sumayaw. Eunice likes dancing. Mahilig si Nathaniel magbasa ng libro. Nathaniel likes reading books. Mahilig silang magluto. They like cooking. Mahilig akong mamundok. I like hiking mountains. Okay, notice that we use the basic or infinitive forms of the verbs when stating the hobbies. And this time, when stating the hobbies, we no longer used sa. Okay, if you're still not sure if you should use mahilig, just ask yourself if what you are stating tells something about the person or describes what kind of a person they are. Okay, because if you said you like kids, you like dogs, you're telling someone what kind of a person you are, what your likes or interests are. And if that is the case, you should use mahilig, okay? Or you can put it this way. Something that you tell someone when you're trying to get to know them, right? Because these are the things you tell people about you. Your hobbies, your preferences, and your interests, what kind of food you like, what kind of movies you like, something that describes a person. You should use mahilig. Now, let us proceed with gusto. You can use gusto if by like you mean liking someone or another person. Or liking something specific. Because, like I said earlier, for likes in a general way, we use mahilig. But for something specific, you should use gusto. Okay, bibigyan ko kayo ng mga halimbawa. Gusto kita. I like you. Kita is a Tagalog pronoun when the doer of the action is I and the receiver is you. Isa pang halimbawa, gusto niya ako. He or she likes me. Gusto ko ang mga pinsan mo. I like your cousins. Gusto ni Steve si Sharon. Steve likes Sharon. And as you can see in my examples, I'm stating that a person likes another person. So in these cases, you should use gusto. And take note that here, the subject or focus of the Tagalog sentence is the receiver of the action or the person being liked. Now, how about liking something specific? Gusto ko ang suot mo. I like what you are wearing. So this time you're being specific. Gusto ni Bruce ang librong to. Bruce likes this book. Or you can say, gusto ni Bruce itong libro. Either one is fine. Okay. Gusto ko ang pelikulang to. I like this movie. So by this, you mean something specific. You mean a specific movie, not just all movies in general. And lastly, gusto niya ang mga disenyo mo. He or she likes your designs. Well, that is it for today's video. If you like this, give us a thumbs up. And for more videos like this, you may subscribe to this channel. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Sa susunod ulit. Paalam.